Oh, he's got you now. He's got you. Remember, he plays dirty. Watch out for the tree.
Why?
I don't want you knocking it over. And he's down. Oh, careful. Get her, Alex. Show her who's boss. Watch for the table. Careful. You do. There's a tag in there?
Yeah, there it is.
How do you always find the tags?
I'm going to put the other one back on.
Hey, boy.
Put it on.
No. No. Put it down. It was on me. It was on me. It was on me. What's on me? No. What's on me? No. Hey, baby, what's on me? What's on me?
And the dogs are getting in on it too. Ripley, leave Charlie alone.
Come on, buddy, get her. Come on, get her, buddy.
Get him, Alex. Get him. Say, don't you tackle my sister. Oh, Alex got Quinn now. Daddy's got them both. Charlie. Everybody's got Daddy. Watch the tree. Alex has got you, Quinn. You wanted to wrestle, now he's wrestling. Alex, let go of Quinn's hair. They're animals. Careful, Quinn.
Why?
Because I don't want you to get hurt. Get him, kids. He's the state wrestling champion. You're beating him. Sit on his head, Alex. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get you out of here. You better run. Alex is going to get you again. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her, Alex. There's a post there. He's saying he wants his chew all by himself.